Hi, and welcome back to my garden in winter. Coming up today is a quick garden tour of what's still flowering in my garden. It was recorded just before Storm Bert and the cold snap in mid-November. We'll start in the side gardens and we'll work our way down. The side garden is the shadiest part of the garden, and here we find the hellebores and cyclamen. Now we're in the terraces. The terraces, stone circle and wild gardens get the most sun throughout the day, so it's unsurprising that the garden hasn't quite fully died back yet, and there's lots of flowers to enjoy, like the salvias and fuchsias. This new pineapple sage is doing particularly well. The leaves smell like pineapple when crushed between your fingers. Amazing bright red flower, such a joy. Even now after the first frost, this plant is still going strong. The practice of gardening is healing for me, a grounding experience, helping me to process feelings of grief, while at the same time providing moments of great joy. This is one of my favorites. Dark green leaves with a silver edge, bright yellow little dots of flowers. Well, this Persicaria is pretty much over now. The camellias are already starting to bud for next year. Thanks for watching.